try to work it out. We just lit the fire, and now you wanna put it out. You gave it all you got, and what you got is not a lot. Why don't you hand it over? Time is up, you've had your shot. Together once again, disasters in the end, it's like a default. You thought you'd made the grade, all you made was start to fade. We threw it in the fire, it's better than it not be made. You just run together, didn't seem to have the heart. Wheels are coming off now, knew that it would fall apart. Take one for the team, you're a cog in the machine, it's like a default. Machine, it's like a default. You missed the starting gun for everything you've ever done. You took part in the race, but disappeared without a trace. You thought you'd set the bar, I never tried to work it out.
So say it correctly. How do you say that?
You wanna put it out, forget about the cause. Press rewind and stop and pause, it's like a default.
What I'd like to say is that there were some requests going around in terms of what you might need to bring. Do we need bed linen? Do we need towels? But none of us thought we needed to bring it.